Okay, we're at Lowe's right now. Just bought a piece of wood, and crazy enough, I'm going to make a shelf that kind of comes down from the top that we could store more clothes and what have you. We're finding that even though the van is great to travel in, we just still don't have enough room. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a shelf up in here, and it might be just temporary, but it's going to keep us over pretty good, and we're going to have more room to store things, and hopefully we still have enough headroom, so we'll see. So that's it for now. The next video will be when it's done. Heather. Hey Heather, are you gonna help me? All right. Well, down underneath here is where I keep all my tools, so I'm going to get out first of all my tape measure, so I can measure out how big I need this thing. Then I'm going to get out my saw and hopefully I can hook it up to my inverter and cut it right here in the Lowe's parking lot. So until I find my tape measure.
Heather, not go out. Come here. Hi. Are you so cute?
Found it.
Sometimes I forget where we put.
Yeah, look,
Yeah.
Close up. About 45. Wow. How can that one be bigger? Let me check it again. Yeah, 45 and a half. And here is, oh no, what am I saying? This is 45 and a half too. Kind of a crazy setup, but this is the shelf that we're putting in. It's going to be kind of temporary, but it'll work for putting all our clothes up here, and it should give us a lot more room. So we're now in the Walmart parking lot because I'm a little nervous about cutting wood in the Lowe's parking lot. But so yeah, next step is hook it in. I think I can hook it to the handles back here. I'm going to try that. So that's my next step. Okay, the shelf is done. We actually have an extra 45 and a half inches by 2 feet. And it's nice.
Looks good. I like.
Yeah, we got a lot of room up there, and Heather's got a little more room to run around. Heather?
Do pee.
Yep.
What?
And we're back on the road. Going to head to Planet Fitness, do some exercising and take a shower.